Hey, what's up, guys? I'm at the desk right now, and I just wanted to do a product review on a JBL speaker. Actually, I already have one. It's a Flip 5, and let me just turn it around for you and just show you actually what it looks like, how big it is when you hold it up. And yeah, so this is a JBL Flip 5 speaker. On one side, it has the JBL logo. On the other side, it has this little neat exclamation point. And then the speaker is actually cylindrical, and here's the side where you turn it on. Your Bluetooth will pair with your computer, and then this is the little C port plug. And actually, I like it so much. Let me just put it down a moment. I like it so much that I decided to get another one. So I got this one in teal. So let's do an unboxing and actually see what the teal one looks like compared to the white. And then I'm going to actually play some music to give you an idea of what it sounds like. All right, so let me get the box open. And it opens upside down, which is strange because the other one I got did not open upside down. And I got this one from Best Buy. Same thing with the other one. And the messed up part was they shipped it in just a plain unpadded envelope with this box, and it's a little smashed. So hopefully it'll be all right. And okay, so it comes inside this foam little protective case. Actually, I'm going to keep it. It's actually good to store the radio. And then it comes with some kind of like manual and warranty. Let's just get a quick look at that. If I can even get it open without ripping it. Let's check it out. All right, so it comes with the charger in here. I'm just going to use actually an Anchor charger that I have. It's like a quick charge, and it's like 6 feet long, so I'm just going to use that one. I'll keep this. Oops, I just dropped it. Hang in there 1 second. So here's what the charger looks like. It has one side is a USB-O. USB-O, I'm losing it. USB, it looks like a 3.0. And the other side is a C charger, or whatever you call that. I'm not a techie. C port. And here we go. Here's the little brochure, quick start guide, and then some more information. All right, so let's check out the speaker in teal. And I wanted to do a video showing the color differences. And they make these in quite a bit different patterns and colors. Even khaki I've seen, like camo, red, white, black, pink, even like mustard, all sorts of colors. So here's what the teal one looks like. Actually, it's quite beautiful. Let me just hold it up, try to get in better lighting and show you the color. So one side we have the JBL logo, and the other side the question mark, and it's the same as the white one except for it's teal. Now the problem with the white one is that it gets dirty very easily. And the reason why I bought the white one, I didn't want the white one, I actually wanted one in a darker color, was because Best Buy was all out of stock on them. So what happened was I had no choice. This was on sale and I had to grab it in white. So there's the difference in the colors. You can see the size. Actually, and you can see what it looks like. It's actually heavy. Feels like it weighs at least 2 pounds. It definitely has some heft to it. Now let's test the sounds out. So what I'm going to do is we're going to use the white one for this. Of course, it's the same thing. And let me just lower my stand so you can look at this. We're going to test different kinds of music. And I'm not going to put it all the way up because it'll probably sound like crap if I do that. But actually, we'll try different sound levels. First, we're going to try rap and hip hop, like basically crappy music that's copyright free, so I don't get a strike on YouTube. All right, so here we go. We're going to start with a random song. Now I'm going to make it louder. I'm going to pull up the volume all the way, and it's probably going to sound distorted. I heard the bass gets sort of yucky when you have it on the highest volume level. So let's try it at the highest volume level. try another random hip-hop beat. I don't even know what I'm picking here. By the way, it's at full level, full volume level. All right, let's try another beat really fast, and then we'll go to another kind of music and see how that sounds. Let's try one more hip-hop song at full volume, and let's then we'll go to the next genre. All right, so let's just try basic, like background YouTube music, copyright free, and let's see how it sounds. I'm going to first have it at a low volume, and then I'm going to switch it to high volume. So here's low volume. All right, let's go to full volume. Let's try another song. And now this is at full volume. Let's see, like, let me skip ahead and see what other kind of, sounds we can get from this. It's the same song. All right, let's try, just for shits and giggles, let's try classical. All right, so let me type in classical. Hold on one second. And I'm not a fast typer. All right, let's try this. All right, let's just like find some kind of, let's see. It says the best of Chopin. And this is full speed by the full speed. See, I'm losing it. I'm having a dementia moment. It's at full volume. Okay, I'm going to skip ahead and see if we get a different song. Okay, so let's try, I don't know, let's try classical violin. just for the hell of it. Let's check that out. All right, so dramatic violin music, no copyright. And this is at full level. All right, so now you can tell whether or not you want to buy it. I'm going to tell you something right now. I have other Bluetooth speakers, and this is why I bought a second one. So now you know the sounds, you know the different genres of music and how it sounds with violins and hip hop and background music. I highly recommend them. They come in, again, all different colors. Pretty much they're being sold in the $110 to $130 range. I highly recommend it. Again, it's the JBL Flip5, and it was made by JBL, but Harman makes it. So I don't know if they absorbed each other as a company, or Harman makes it for JBL, or they're one and the same. But I highly recommend the JBL Flip5. And thank you so much for watching one of my videos, and have a great evening or day, wherever you are in the world.